Hi, I'm Nick Ebenroth, product manager here at Keystone, Montana. Today I'm really excited to show you our brand new High Country 391 TV. In this video, we'll walk through the inside and outside and show you some of the really cool features that we're excited to showcase on our brand new 2026 model year. Let's go take a look. As we stand outside of this brand new High Country 391 TB, we'll first by starting looking at the front end. So some of the other videos I had mentioned that this year for both Montana and High Country, we took ourselves from 96 inches wide to 101 inches wide. That means we added 5 extra inches of interior width, which made a huge difference on what we could offer on the inside. But from the outside, you'll see that means brand new front cap. So you're gonna see a new aggressive automotive painted front cap with new amber lights that are built into the cap themselves. You'll also see a brand new hitch. So this year we've went to a Kurt Helix pin box. That pin box actually has 20% less dampening into the bed of your truck than what it had historically. So a little bit better ride when it comes to your actual front end of your hitch. Underneath, you're also gonna see 2 baggage doors. Those baggage doors, the one on the left, will be for an optional generator if you wanna add that in. If not, it's just storage. And then off to the right-hand side, that other baggage door is your spots for your batteries. If you have an inverter, it also has all of your hydraulic leveling and slides that are located in there. What that's a reminder of is that this year on High Countries, we actually added 6-point hydraulic leveling, is the Titan leveling system. That's got steel housing in all of the legs, and they're rated for 8,000 pounds a piece. So you have a lot of force to be able to lift that coach up when you're trying to level it. So you have 6 different points at 8,000 pounds a piece on this leveling system. So historically, we've done a 4-point electric, and that's what you're gonna see a lot of in the competition. You're gonna have a true 6-point hydraulic leveling on all High Countries this year. That also means we went to a hydraulic slide mix as well. So instead of having an electric slide or anything else, it's actually hydraulic driven slides on the 2 main, and then we have an underbed electric bed slide that's up in the bedroom that I can talk about as well. As we work our way over to the side, you're gonna see a handful of things. This is our largest unit that we've built yet in our High Country lineups. This is 43 feet, 11 inches in overall length from pin to bumper. And what you'll find is you actually get full awning coverage on almost this whole entire campsite side. So you get 3 awnings, which is the first time we've ever offered that in a High Country lineup, but 3 awnings that will cover this side of the doorway, on your slide out box, and all the way back to the rear that I'll show you here shortly. What you'll also find when we look over here is this year we went to frameless windows on all of our High Countries as well. And then we made our slide out boxes taller as well. So those slide out boxes are 6'6" in height, which means you picked up interior height. So not just the width of the 5 extra inches we picked up, but also the height as well. And then that also meant that we could make those windows even larger as well. So a couple cool things we've added this year. As we work over towards this pass-through storage, you're gonna see that you get a ton of unobstructed storage space in all these High Countries. So you have an ABS plastic that wraps all the way around, so it's fully enclosed. What you'll also find here is switches. So these switches are overrides for all 3 of your awnings, as well as all of your slide-out boxes. On that opposite side as well, you'll have a convenience center that has a true water manifold system. So that means you have hot and cold shutoff valves. So if you want to have a home run line that's ran from your sink all the way to the convenience center, that's already there for you, so you can easily shut that off. What you'll also find is on this point, you have a swing out access point behind the convenience center as well. So if there's ever a leak or anything that you need to access behind that convenience center, it's easily accessible for that door that pops open. As you work over to this side, a couple other things you're gonna notice is you have a more extended grab handle, so you can reach all the way down here to walk up those stairs, as well as a strut assisted step. So this step is on struts, so wherever you let go of it at, that step will stop, and then it folds all the way in for transit, but that makes it a lot nicer than having to load that step and push it all the way up. This will stop wherever you see fit. To increase carrying capacity on this unit, we went with 8,000 pound axles, 17.5-inch wheels, and H-range tires. And they come with ABS, so they come with anti-lock brakes. So that red drum indicates that it's got ABS on it already. And then another thing that we did this year, which is great, is an upgraded suspension system. So instead of a standard leaf spring suspension that swings up and down, this slipper roller is actually gonna slide. It's gonna absorb a lot more of that pressure to make for a smoother ride. So this also dampens it 20% less than what a standard leaf spring suspension. So you get a 20% better ride with this slipper roller suspension than what you have historically as well. So upgraded ABS, upgraded tires, and upgraded suspension all on this 391 TB. One of the really cool things I want to talk about too is in a 2-bedroom unit historically, you don't get an outside kitchen. Feels like an outside kitchen is one of those items that a lot of us can add when we do a true bunk room, but when you do a 2-bedroom unit, you don't have enough space. So we were really intentional this year when we built this model, and we wanted to incorporate an outdoor kitchen here. What you'll find on this outside kitchen, it has a mini reefer, has a 40-inch TV, and then you also have your quick connect on this side so that we can easily put your portable grill or Blackstone or anything you want on this outside. So for a 2-bedroom unit, I don't know any other ones in the market today that are offering an outdoor kitchen. The other really neat thing about this unit is that we do 2 full bathrooms, and the rear bathroom has an exit here on the back side. So this way, if you're out here camping underneath this rear awning of your 3 awnings, you're watching TV, you're utilizing this refrigerator, utilizing your grill, you need to use the restroom, instead of having to track back through that main door, it's easily accessible on this back side as well. So a lot of cool things to talk about on the outside, but I think there's way more cool things to talk about on the inside. So let's go take a look. Okay, as we jump inside this 391 TB, first thing when you walk in, you'll see this giant U-shaped kitchen. So you're gonna have 14 cabinet doors and drawers in this big U-shaped kitchen with solid surface countertops. And there's tons of cool features in here. So first, we have a black appliance suite. So you have an oversized range, you have your microwave up top, and then you also have a built-in sink that has all sorts of different functions, whether you're trying to wash your cup, whether you're washing fruits and vegetables, you can take the water from here or down into the other spot as you come through. So historically, when you have a U-shape and that corner becomes dead space. And so what we've done here is we actually slid in a top that'll open up, and that will access your trash can underneath. You'll also find on the off door side a baggage door that you can open up and access that trash can. So it's a great way to slide all your trash here, and then once you're ready to dump it, you're gonna step outside anyways, you can grab it from the outside and take it right to that trash can at the campsite. As we look around, you'll also see that you're gonna have a 16 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. You have options here. So this is our 12 volt. You also have an option for a residential. So if you opt into a residential, it's an 18 cubic foot refrigerator when you get into the residential as well. So you have an option. They're both black. So whether you do the black 12 volt or the black residential, either one. When you also look over, you're gonna see a true floor to ceiling pantry. So a full size pantry that has all sorts of space. You're gonna see in here there's 3 adjustable shelves, so those can move around wherever you see fit, and it's also got a backlight into it as well. Probably one of the other things, I walk in and talk about how great this kitchen is, but really this living room is what's great, because when you have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, you need to be able to actually accommodate all those people, right? So when you walk in, you're gonna see all sorts of seating space. So you have 2 theater seats that look straight over to your 50-inch television. And then over here in this other slide, you're also gonna see a nice sleeper sofa that makes into a bed as well, on that side. When we look over towards the dinette side, you're gonna see our new deskette. I know I've talked about it in a few different videos, but the way this works is it slides out as we're showcasing it now, where you have 4 seats. So these 2 seats will store here during transit. These other 2 are stored underneath the bedroom, but this way you can set it up where 4 of you can sit here comfortably. You could have 2 sit here, and as we're showing here, you can have 2 look out onto your campsite. What this also does is it slides in and it will slide left or right to make a desk. So if you wanted to make a big L-shaped desk and have a workstation, that also doubles as this. So it's a really, really versatile desk, but it will sit 4 people comfortably or a great spot to work. You'll also see, as I mentioned, outside is 6'6" slide out boxes with oversized windows. So big windows that you can look onto your campsite. And then as we kind of look over towards this direction, you're gonna see a lot of great features. So first is a hardwood entertainment center. So a true entertainment center that goes floor to ceiling. This is all hardwood with that 50-inch TV that I had mentioned. JBL soundbar mixed with a subwoofer as well. So underneath this ladder, you're gonna see this built-in box. That's your subwoofer that's already built in. And then as well as you get a 40-inch fireplace that will warm this area up great. But before we get into the back, what I wanna talk about is this. Not only do you have 2 full bedrooms, but you have an amazing loft that's up here. And a couple things that I want to talk about on this loft is Historically, people that do lofts, this is all open, right? So when you climb in, you've got 3 kids that are up there sleeping. They are all access, every time they're talking, they're doing anything, you can hear it here in the living room. What you're gonna find on this is this has a true pocket door that's built in to shut that off. So now when your kids are up there sleeping, you have a privacy for them. You can sit here, watch movies, give them their spot up there because they also have a TV hookup in the loft as well. Some of the other great features on this unit is the ladder. So instead of having a stationary ladder that's tucked all the way over to this corner, this ladder will actually swing like a library ladder on a roller and move back and forth. So that way it's easily to get up and down. And then finally, I'll step up here too, but as you walk up into this loft, one of the things that's really nice is this has got almost 3 full feet of headspace. So you have 35 inches of headspace from the bottom to the top. So you can literally sit up there and watch TV, sit and play games. The kids they can do whatever. Historically, most of those lofts get really, really short where you're literally just sleeping and that's it. This has actually got spots for sitting there and getting headspace. So we're talking about this loft. You've got adjustable ladder, you've got a spot to close off the kids when you need to, and they have extra headspace, let alone all the additional storage, TV hookup as well. So a lot of great features, and that does offer 3 mattresses that are up there. So there are 3 separate mattresses that wrap around up top. So a lot of great features there, and that's not even getting into the rear bedroom yet. So I want to take you back here and show you what this rear bedroom looks like. As we jump down into this second bedroom, a couple awesome things I want to talk about. First, queen size bed. So you have a king bed up in the master, and then you have a queen size bed back here with nice walk around space of both. You'll also find you have flip up shelves for little CPAPs or charging stations for your phone that are there, and then really nice windows on each side to let cross ventilation in. As we look over to this side, a couple things that we were really intentional doing. Historically, when you're talking about hanging space in the second bedroom, it's almost non-existent. And what you'll find is normally your rod goes this way. And that's because there's not enough depth for an actual normal hanger. So what we did this year was we actually ran the closet rod north and south like you would like it. And we did that by pulling this out, doing more of like a motorhome type feature where the hanging space is actually rounded in and out. And so what that allows for a true like 17-inch hanging closet hanger to be able to hang up your shirts comfortably. And that's a full length here. So if you've got taller shirts, that will all hang on this side. Then you look over and you got 6 nice drawers that are built into this side with doors on each side. And then I talked about outside that you've got your outside kitchen that's out there. You really didn't lose any space on the inside. So instead what we did on this door specifically is this will open up and you've got hanging space there. It's just a little bit shorter because we have the built-in outdoor kitchen on this back side as well as tied into your second bathroom. So in this rear bath, it's really great because you have 2 full baths, as I mentioned. So not just a toilet and sink back there, but you actually have a full shower that's back on that back side. You have solid surface countertops, and you have that rear entrance. So as I mentioned outside, it's a perfect spot for your guests to quickly access the bathroom from the back side when you're outside camping, but you have plenty of space in that rear bathroom. So before we jump up into the master bedroom, just a refresher here. I mean, you've got plenty of hanging space. You got a queen size bed. You got 2 full bathrooms. We haven't even walked into the master bedroom yet. So let's go take a look. As we jump into the master bedroom, a couple great things I want to talk about. First, I mentioned downstairs, king size bed with plenty of walk around space. So you can see I'm standing on this side, plenty of walk around space on both sides. You'll also see you have built-in nightstands that wrap around the bed as well. So it's a great spot for CPAPs or phone chargers or anything else that you want to pop up there. 2 big windows that have nice cross ventilation, just like it is downstairs in the queen bed. And then we also look over tons of hanging space. So you have nice big mirrors that'll slide on both sides for hanging space here, built-in shelves underneath. And then this closet here is a great wardrobe closet that also has washer dryer for that. So if you want to option in washer dryer, we can install that from the factory or your dealership can as well. But you do have a nice hanging rod that's up there as well. When we look over to this side, you're also going to have 4 nice drawers that are built in at the foot of the bed that have a spot underneath for you to be able to slide in shoes or anything else into this, into your nightstand as well. So a lot of great things here, as well as in that bathroom. So as we talk about that bathroom, also solid surface tops in the bathroom in there, big oversized shower with a teak seat that will flip down, built-in spots for a trash can, lit mirror, all sorts of great features that come into that bathroom as well. And then a few other things that I didn't mention downstairs that I want to make sure we talk about is this unit's equipped with 3 air conditioners. So this has a 18K Chill Cube Furrion AC in the living room. That's got an oscillating fan on it. It's extremely quiet. It's low power, it's a power saving unit, and it'll freeze you out down there in that main living room. So there's a lot of great features that come along with that AC as well. It has a remote control that has a follow me function. So if you're sitting on the couch and you want to force more air onto you where you're sitting at, it will do that. So a lot of great things there, as well as 2 additional air conditioners. So we have one up here in the bedroom, that's a 13.5 AC that's ducted. So that'll be ducted into your bedroom and your bathroom for the front area. And then in the rear of the unit, we have a third AC, another 13.5 AC that will be ducted into that bedroom. It'll come out of the loft area and it will go back into the bathroom. So 3 air conditioners that will cool off your whole entire unit. On top of that, this unit comes with a 35,000 BTU furnace. It's got that 40-inch fireplace that's down on the entertainment center that will push out 5,000 BTUs of heat as well. So plenty of both heat and cooling. As we speak about heat, a couple other things that I want to mention is this year in all high countries and Montanas, we have gotten all the floor registers out of the floor. So they're all built into toe kicks. So as you look around the unit, you're going to see them built in underneath your bathroom sink. So that way when you're brushing your teeth in the morning, you're going to have warm air blowing onto your feet. When you're in the kitchen, there's toe kicks that are built in. So as you're working through the kitchen, you have warm air coming out of those ducts versus having a dust collector spot right there in the floor. Thank you for taking a chance to walk through this 391 TB with me. As I mentioned, it's a 43-foot, 11-inch unit that packs a huge punch. So from the outside, 3 awnings that cover the whole entire outside of your unit. You have an outdoor kitchen. Inside, you got 2 full bedrooms, plus a loft that has 3 additional sleeping spots up there, 2 full bathrooms, plenty of seating space, and a massive kitchen. So when you're talking about taking your family out camping and enjoying the outdoors, I can't think of a better unit that packs this much into this unit. So once again, thank you so much for taking a look at this 391 TB. If you have any questions, please go to KeystoneRV.com and check out our full pictures and walkthrough of this floor plan. Thanks again.
Keystone. Proven in the wild.